So if you remember my old base which I showed you with that extinct Tralalero gold, here is the results of my base. Yep, I'm in my base and my worst thing is the Vampira Cappuccina.
Is your old account?
Giving 125k per second, and if you don't believe me, let me show you my second floor. Yep, so this is my second floor with trippies giving 175k per second this birthday, 225k per second with this Tractor Dinosaro, 230k per second with two snail, I don't know how to say that, with two turbo snails giving 250k per second. And my second best thing which I got from the witching hour is my Frankenteo giving 700k per second. But my Ballerino Lololo Rainbow gives 2 million per second. And I'm legit getting billions from these two.
Baba.
I'm literally 6 billion, 1.4 billion. I'm legit getting billions.
He's getting millions.
So, yeah, bye.